Good morning children, welcome to our Google Classroom. Now I plan to give some tips while you are doing the problems. That means I would like to say while I noticed some mistakes from your part, review test answers. It should be clarified because otherwise you will do the same mistakes in the next classes also or next problems. So calculation should be done very carefully. Applying rules, everyone did very well. I am very happy to see your answer sheets because application of properties was done very effectively. So, next is you should be very careful while doing the calculation. Some papers I found into 1, that means multiplication with 1, they wrote as by adding 1. I know everyone knows multiplying with 1 will get the same answer. But unfortunately, you are forgetting that rule or that answer on that time. So, you should take time and do the calculation well. Otherwise, if any rule, if we are studying, it will be failed. That means we know the rules but we can't calculate it correctly. So be very careful while doing the problems. So in this class I give some problems you have already done but by changing the numbers. Today we will conclude the chapter 2 because so many problems we did, the sections, all topics we described, your part was very good, but do some more problems by changing the numbers beyond the textbook. We can do that. Okay, try again and again. Thank you children. Children, let us do some problems here. First question, simplify 325 into 55 plus 325 into 45. Observing these two numbers, we will get the idea which property can be used here. That means A into B plus A into C. Here 55 plus 45 will get 100. Such numbers we will use here as a part of distributive property. 325 into 55 plus 325 into 45. Given question equals A into B plus C. So 325 into 55 plus 45, 100. So you get the answer. Next question, look here. 1245 into 65 plus 1245 into 35. Again, you connect these two numbers. You know, this is equal to 65 plus 35, 100. Common factor 1245. So 1245 into 65 plus 35. So here instead this one we substitute 100. Therefore the required answer into 100 we add 2 zeros to the number. Okay. Then next one. Next, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement means from the given question, we should arrange the numbers as our convenience. So here 4 into 378 into 25. These numbers, these two numbers we are rearranging. Here 25 into 378. A into B we wrote as B into A. So we applied the formula commutativity for multiplication. Then very easy, 4 into 25, 100 into 378. So 37,800 is the required answer. Okay. Next, 625 into 578 into 16. Already we told some multiplication facts you should remember while doing the problem. So 625 into 16 is 10,000. So 625 into 16 we wrote together, but unknowingly we used the property commutativity. 16, 578 into 16 became 16 into 578. So we used commutativity for multiplication. So 10,000, this became 10,000 into 578. So you will get the required answer 57,80,000. Next question. Find using suitable properties 675 into 101. So we split up this 101 into 100 plus 1. Then we used the property 675 into 100. Property means distributivity of multiplication over addition. Here addition symbol. Moreover, I found the mistake here. While you wrote this number 675 into 1, as the answer you wrote some children 2 or 3. I noticed that 676. That is a big mistake. So you don't repeat 675 into 1, 675 itself you write like that. So 675 into 100, adding 2 zeros we get 67,500 plus 675. So you will get the required answer here. So while you do the problems, you should be very vigilant, be very careful. Without mistake, you try to do the problems. Okay, so this chapter concluded by this week. Practice more problems. Okay.